Okay, this is a review on a Quince seed from Mary Ann. I had ordered, and it came in like 2 days. Actually under 48 hours. So I'll show you how it's packaged and what I got. And it came wrapped up in bubble wrap. It's really nice, and it's bigger than what I expected it to be. You get your, which I already opened it, and I didn't see any reviews on this, so I wanted to do one. But you get your bill, or not your bill, it says it's not a bill. Get your paper showing your purchase, and a paper showing that she's online and to subscribe, which I'm subscribed already. So okay. But this is the zipper pull. It's one of the zipper pulls. I thought it was going to be much smaller than that. For reference, like, here's a bracelet. It's a pretty thick one, actually. And you could still potentially hook it to this, which I'm going to hook it to my anklet for surgery, during surgery. So, but it's pretty big. And you can hear this, because I was curious about the seed, and because it comes glued and all that. But I mean, you can feel it and hear it in there. It's definitely in there, and it's nice. So thank you, Mary Ann. Thank you for being so quick. It's awesome. I have a heart surgery coming up, so once again, thank you.